Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5. The last part is 6th part, HCF and LCM. In previous class we also discussed the HCF, prime factor section. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 19, 23, 29, 31, then 37, 41, 43, 47 and so on. You find the prime numbers or 1 to 100. Then first we find the HCF of in prime factor section method. HCF means highest common factor. First we study HCF. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. We find then separate. Always you find the HCF in separate. Okay. Then 24 here, 36. Then you check this number. First prime number is 2. This number divisible by 2. Yes. How many times gone? You divide in rough notebook. How many times? 12. Again this number 12 is divisible by again 2. Yes. How many times go? 6 times. Again. Yes. 2. How many times? 3. 3 is also a prime number. Next prime number is also 3. Then 3 how many times? 1 time. Now we end this. Then second number 36. First you check this number is divisible by 2. Yes. How many times? 18 times. Again 2. How many times gone? 9 times. Again this number 9 is divisible by 2. No. You say the table of 2. 9 come in table of 2? No. Next prime number is 3. Then you check 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. How many times gone? 3 times. Again 3 is a prime number. This 3 again go this. First we find the prime factor section. Now next step. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This 2, this 2, this 2, this 3 you take. Again 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This. Now common we circle the common. These 2. Okay, this 2, okay, this 3 and this 3, this 3. Now, we take a 1 in this group, to take this group 1, this group. Now, multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. HCF is equal to our HCF is equal to 12. Understand? Now we study LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. You follow in this prime factor common division method. Okay. First find the LCM of find the LCM of 8, 9, 12. Okay. Find the LCM of 8, 9, 12. LCM means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. First we find this number in common division method. Which method this? Common division method. This method you follow. Okay. First you check this first prime number is 2. This number is divisible by 2. Yes. This number? No. This number? Yes. We take 2. How many times gone here? 4 times. Okay. Here, the table of 2 is divisible by 9? No. 2 is not come in the table of 9. Okay. Then, what do you do? As it is, you write in downside. What do you do? As it is, 9 come in downside. Then, next, table of 2, how many times gone in 12? How many times? 6 times. Now, our number 4, 9, 6. Again, you check these numbers divisible by 2. Yes, 4 is divisible, 9 is not divisible, 6 is divisible. Again you divided 2. How many times gone? 2 times. Here? No. As it is you write here. Then how many times here? 3 times. Again you check 2 is divisible in, yes, this number. Yes, 2 1 time. The table of 2 goes in 9. No, as it is write you. Then the table of 2 goes in 3. No, as it is you write. Then now here 2 is end here. Next prime number is 3. The table of 3 divisible by 9 and 3. Yes, you take 3. 1 as it is right. How many times gone? 3 times. Here 1 time. Again this process 3, 1, 1, 1. All numbers come in 1. Okay. Now we multiply, we take these numbers. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into this 2 into this 3 into this. These numbers we take these factors. Then multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. Our LCM is 72. Understand you? One more question. Find the LCM of 12, 8 and 6. Okay, 12, 8 and 6. Now 16 you take. First we arrange 16, 8, 6. First, our first prime number is 2. 2 is divisible by 16, yes. 8, yes. 6, yes. We take, how many times gone? Say the table of 2, 8 times. Here 4 times. Here 3 times. Okay. Now, again you check 2 is divisible by Yes, 8 and 4. 3 is not divisible. Okay, then again you write 2. How many times gone? 4 times here, 2 times here. What do you do? The table of 2 not come in 3. What do you do? As it is right, the 3 come in downside. Okay, next again 2 times, 1 times, then 3. As it is right. Again 2, 1 as it is right. Here 3 as it is. Again 3, 1. Okay. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then multiply this 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. Understand you? I give some questions for you. You do. In your exercise, book exercise is big number. You do these questions. This question also. First, find the HCF of in prime factorization method. A 16 and 24. B 20 and 30. Then C 8 and 12. Then second question, find the LCM of first 6 and 8, second 12 and 16, then third 8, 12 and 6. Okay, you do these questions in your notebook. Thank you.